So the weight comes off and then it comes right back on even faster than it got off. And you are now frustrated after sincerely working hard towards an exercise or diet program only to get right back to where you started. Hi, my name is Palki Mawar, and I'm a certified medical support clinical hypnotherapist helping women like you lose weight for good. And as someone who's been in the healing arts for over a decade, I'm curious to see what lies beneath your relationship with food. Are you ready to dig deeper and reprogram your beliefs around food and exercise? Are you ready and willing to let weight loss be easy and sustainable for you? Let's get you back on track where you will not just lose weight and look great, but you will have the energy to keep up with your family, your grandkids, and really get more involved in life, both physically and emotionally. So click the link below and book your free consultation with me today. Remember, radiant health and beauty begin from the inside.